Government considering a new tax on imports. More from Dan Conifer.
Australians are buying more and more products from overseas, and that means more work checking these items at the border. For goods valued at more than $1,000, this screening service attracts a fee, but not for other items. A government discussion paper says this system is no longer sustainable. Nearly 40 million parcels valued at under $1,000 arrived in Australia last financial year. It's understood a tax of between $2 and $7 per item has been discussed.
Health authorities are warning that Australian patients are putting their health and lives at risk by using unqualified practitioners for cheap and illegal cosmetic procedures. The New South Wales Health Department has recently conducted several raids on beauty salons and apartments, seizing hundreds of contraband drugs, including dermal fillers, anaesthetics, human placenta extract,